Hi guys. We pharma professionals have always have difficulty in finding the correct guidance and resources in any segment of pharma. Take for an example, we may be a medical representative, but we may not have a suitable mobile app that provides information related to the job. Similarly, the list goes on. So today to make our pharma life easy, let us see the top 10 mobile apps for pharmacy students and professionals that will add value and make our professional life much easier. Don't worry, we are not going to discuss about online pharmacy apps. We know there are so many online pharmacy apps already available out there. Welcome guys, this is Pharma Portal, the pharma you need to know, share and grow. The first mobile app we are going to discuss is Drugs at FDA. US FDA is the biggest health agency in the world. Mostly all countries take US FDA as their primary reference for manufacturing a drug. So if you are working for a pharma company that is US FDA approved or trying to learn more knowledge on drug information, then Drugs at FDA is one mobile app that you need to install in your phone. Drugs at FDA contains information about products that are approved by FDA for human use, such as prescription drugs and OTC drugs. It does not include products like vaccines, blood products, animal prescriptions, etc. The second mobile app that we are going to see is the Orange Book. The Orange Book is a database of product that contains therapeutic equivalence evaluations for approved multi-source prescription drug products. The Orange Book Express allows you to search all the marketing status of a product, look up on the patent and exclusivity information, identify the reference listed drug, and determine if a drug product has a therapeutically equivalent product, and browse the patent delisting and newly added products. Orange Book is another FDA approved mobile app that needs to be in your phone. The third mobile app that we are going to see is highly useful for QC and QA analysts. The mobile app is USP Reference Standard app. This is a free mobile app. The USP Reference Standard and Resources app puts the latest real-time RS data at your fingertips 24/7 with the lot numbers, valid use dates, SDS and certificates, RS in development and many more. So definitely try to install this app and have a look. The next FDA approved mobile app that we are going to see is Drug Shortages 2 mobile app. This mobile app provides updates on shortage information about a drug product or one or more drugs within a selected therapeutic category. The application uses a searchable database to provide a real-time information to key stakeholders and helps the healthcare practitioners to make quick decisions about patient treatments. The next mobile app that we are going to see is Drugs Dictionary Offline. This mobile application is a medical book that contains all information about drugs used for medication. It contains information such as uses, dosage, how to take, side effects, precautions, etc. Drug Dictionary is very useful for healthcare professionals, especially hospital nurses, medical students, nursing professionals, especially for pharmacy students who work in clinical practice and dispensary. The next app that we are going to see is the Pharma Guideline app. This app provides all pharma information and pharmaceutical guidelines, including information about testing procedures of quality control, calibration, reagents, and solutions, audit checklists for all departments for QA professionals. Pharmaceutical Guideline app provides all recent pharma news updates from the world with an alert for free. There are about 2,500 topics that have been covered to date, and it is counting. This is a mandatory app that you need to install in your phone and have a regular check on daily basis. The next mobile app that we are going to see is Pharma Compass. This mobile app offers the easiest way for business to business users to connect with partners to accelerate the drug development activities using their mobile phones. Professionals can use this app to connect seamlessly with companies that can offer API, finished product dosage forms, excipients, and many more. Currently, there are around 1.5 million users using this app. If you are looking for a solution, how to calculate the net rate of a medicine, how to calculate the margin in pharma, how to calculate the profit of pharma stockists, how is the scheme percentage calculation work for retailers, then the answer is PTR and PTS calculator app. Using this app, you can simply get all the results in fractions without manual calculations or calculator. PTR calculator is used to get the price to retailer. This app helps you to calculate the PTR for pharma retailers or medicine retailers. PTS calculator is used to get the price to stockist. This app is simply provide the hassle-free calculation price to stockist for pharma stockist. The next app that we are going to see is CEFMED Pharma. CEFMED Pharma is the next generation medical representative reporting application for pharmaceutical sales force management. With this app, manage and track your pharma sales force with EMR reporting software. With this app, you can easily track your team, get real-time orders, expenses, and much more. Some of the outstanding features of CEFMED Pharma app is you can effortlessly plan and schedule the work of medical representative, quickly and easy MR reporting, tour planning, daily call reports, secondary sales, geotagging, POP, e-detailing, and many more. This is one mandatory app for all the medical representatives. The last app that you're going to see is PS Pharma. PS Pharma updates pharmaceutical executives on company news and earnings, FDA regulations, drug safety, generic drug companies, and many more. Definitely install this particular app if you want to know what is happening in the pharmaceutical industry on a daily basis. This is a bonus information about a mobile app that provides most features who are preparing for online guidance and coaching for GPAT, NIPA, Drug Inspector, and Pharmacist examinations. The app is called Pharmacy India. This application provides more features related with test series at very low price for GPAT, NIPA, Drug Inspector, and Pharmacist examination. The next app is PharmD app. This app will provide you the complete PharmD syllabus with the syllabus-oriented notes and materials, university-wise previous year question papers, and much more features that will help you become more productive in this particular profession. Similar to the previous mobile app, BPharm syllabus, notes, question papers, and more app will provide you the complete pharma syllabus and its oriented notes and materials, along with the previous year question papers and much more features. Hope you like this video. Encourage us by hitting the like button. If you have any question, post it in the comments and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications from our Pharma Portal channel. Bye.